point, I had his vape on me because he has thrown it at me before when he was angry. And so then he put his hands on my throat.
Keep your hands where I can see them. Don't pull
Why
away.
are you grabbing me?
Don't pull away from me.
How am I being detained? I'm nobody.
You're about to get another charge.
On October 14th, 2024, police arrive at a quiet apartment complex in response to a domestic disturbance. A 19-year-old woman tells officers her boyfriend just left after a violent outburst, damaging her door and allegedly putting his hands around her neck.
Calhoun Police Department. You good for just a second? He's talking to a male back there.
Huh?
He's talking to a male back there. He told him to come here for a second.
He's talking to a male?
Yeah, he said, hey sir, come here for a second.
Yes.
He kicked my door earlier and I guess it broke my lock, but I can pass you my house key so you can open from the other side.
Is it unlocked?
It won't unlock.
From her side.
Can I pass you my house key?
If it'll go underneath the door.
If it'll come under the door.
Come here for a second. Keep your hands where I can see them. What's your name, boss? Noah. Noah? Alright, man. Keep your hands where I can see them. You ain't got nothing on you. You gonna poke, stick, cut me, anything like that? You got no weapons on you, anything?
So, I just got kicked out and went to my mom.
You're fine.
What are you doing?
Put your hands on top of your head.
Why?
I'm just checking you real quick, man.
Am I getting arrested? Detained?
Look, man, I'm just patting you down for weapons right now. Let's go over here in front of this police car real quick.
Am I getting arrested?
You are detained right now, yes.
For what?
So, for the altercation that happened over here.
What altercation?
So there's an altercation over here.
For what?
For whatever happened tonight. I don't know. Don't pull
why
away.
Are you grabbing me?
Don't pull away from me.
How am I being detained?
Shit. Move, I got it. Move, I got it. Taser, taser, taser. Don't move. I'm gonna tase you. Stop fucking fighting. Put your hands behind your back. I got this one right here. Don't move.
I didn't do nothing.
Don't move.
Don't move!
I'm not moving. Here, you can.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
I'm stopped.
Get up.
I'm trying. Thank you. I didn't do nothing, sir.
You did now.
You said you were detaining me.
Will you fight back?
Sir,
Will you fight back?
I was.
Listen. Shut the fuck up.
But you were grabbing my arm. That is why I fought back.
You don't fight back with the police. You
Yes,
do what
sir.
the police say.
Yes, sir. Sorry. It was all over her breaking up
Spread
with
your
me.
legs. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Is this him?
Yeah, it's him.
Yeah, put him back in my car.
Ow.
Where you at? Come up here.
All because I was.
Shut up.
I don't have anything on me, sir. Can I call my mom?
No, you ain't calling shit.
You ain't shit.
Yeah, look what just happened to you.
Yeah,
boss.
4 niggas.
Shut the fuck up.
No. You talking to me?
Move, move. I got it. I'll walk him to my car.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you got it?
My bags don't mean shit, nigga. What are you talking about? The fuck? Gotta tase me. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Yeah, you did.
Because you grabbed my arm, I have it on record.
Good for you, man. I
Yeah,
did too.
okay, good.
Some bitch tried to tackle me. Huh? Yeah, dude, I was freaking just trying to hold tight.
Okay, I'm gonna go talk to her. You good? Y'all good? I'm gonna go talk to her. Which one is it?
This
Small one? Okay, I'll come around the other side.
Hang on. Let one of them go with you.
Oh, since they're gonna take it.
Alright. Alright. So apparently take the door so hard we can't open.
I have the house key. We're gonna try to unlock it from the other side.
And if you want to see, y'all want to see it first, you can get on. Just like turn this over.
Leave him. Sit right there for now. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. He was reaching for his gun.
Oh, was it?
Yes. So that's why I started punching him.
God damn. Alright, so, hold up. We'll
He
charge
drops
him with
him.
that. Yeah. We'll charge him with that.
What'd you drop over here? I heard it.
Earpiece. Oh well, if we can't find it, oh well. But alright, we'll try to get in here and talk to her.
Okay, I got the key.
Y'all want to walk with her? I'll walk way out here with him.
Here it is.
Y'all want to do whatever
It just
y'all
came loose.
No. No, we're gonna have to talk through the window, and unless you can get that unlocked.
Is she inside?
Yeah, she handed me the key.
Through the window.
Yeah.
Okay, so how to go?
She just went out the window. I can't get that.
Claustrophobic.
Yeah, we can't. I don't. Okay. So walk me through what happened tonight.
That's another charge.
So we're both sleeping. We both have work in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
We have one trunk there. So I went to the bathroom. My phone was at 100. I went and put his phone on the charger.
Okay.
Messages from another girl, all that drama crap. I said I'm not doing with it. Get out.
Okay.
It's been here since October 1st or 2nd. He was arguing. I have it on videos too. He was arguing and I was like, please get out, please get out. At one point, I had his vape on me because he has thrown it at me before when he was angry. And so I was like, if you want your property, you can leave. I'll give it to you outside.
Okay.
And so then he put his hands on my throat. Not hard, but enough to like, after I told him not to touch me again.
Mm-hmm.
And then he's been kicked my door, banging on my window. He left his stuff here, and I packed it up. It's in the living room. He says he wants to talk and get his stuff back, and I said, I don't feel safe giving you your stuff until the police are here.
And what does he look like?
Curly hair.
Okay, yeah, I just wanted to make sure it was the same person we just dealt with. We already have him. He's not out here.
No,
So-
just make sure there's
There's no damage on the window, just the door. Do you have your ID or is it still inside?
I can get.
Yeah, could you grab it?
Yeah.
You just stay in the house and I'll cover the window. You're fine, just leave the window open.
It's gonna be a minute. I'll call you.
Did he have an ID on him?
I didn't. No, he had
I
his
should probably find it.
If you can find his wallet, that'd be awesome.
phone and both. That's it.
Phone and his wallet was on him.
So, he reached for your gun.
He tried to tackle me too.
He did?
Yeah, I grabbed his arm, and I was pulling him back to me, and he grabs my legs like this. So I try to hold him as much as I can.
Okay.
And that's when I take him to the ground.
Okay.
And Chandler got there to help. And when I was taking him to the ground, he ended up on top, and that's when he was reaching for my gun.
Alright, so what we're going to do is, we got battery 2 times.
Battery on police officer, yeah.
2 times.
Yeah.
Then we got
and then
reaching for a
whatever we
weapon.
got with her,
Reaching for your weapon, that's a
Yeah.
felony.
obstruction.
And fucking 3 counts of obstruction.
Yeah.
So in the door.
What?
In the door. I didn't see any marks on her neck.
The door?
Oh, the doors, yeah, we couldn't even unlock it
So
from the outside.
that's criminal trespass.
Well, depending on what the door is.
It's going to be felony.
Yeah.
Because
All right.
she had to climb through the window.
You got
and
everything you
lose
need?
it. He's waiting on her ID and trying to find his wallet.
Okay.
So pretty much what happened inside here, other than what happened out here, she woke up to go to the bathroom. They both have to work in the morning. Her phone was on 100. She went to plug his phone up. There was another girl's text messages on it. She said, nope, we're not doing this. Get out. He's been here since October 1st or something. And so when she said get out, he said no. Put his hands on her. She gave him his vape. He ends up leaving and she locks everything. He starts kicking and beating on the glass out front. Doesn't damage the glass, damages the door.
Okay.
And she said, I'm not giving you anything else until law enforcement gets here. that's it.
Where's his wallet?
She went to look for it.
40.
I think my purse is in my car. But here's a picture of him.
You got everything you need?
But I'm pretty sure his ID is in my wallet.
It's in the car.
Yeah. This is so embarrassing. It's crazy.
We really don't need a picture, just as a...
Yeah, I think his ID's in my purse, but that's just to see if you got the right guy. I
Yeah,
don't want to
it
bother
is.
somebody else.
Yeah, it is.
Does she have my keys still? I do.
The keys with the... No, we give it back to you.
Sorry.
Get his wallet with his stuff. We're going to take him out of his car, put him in ours. We're going to hightail it. You guys' wallet?
He doesn't have a wallet. I kept his stuff for him. This is his ID.
Okay, cool.
Hey, pictures of the door. If we can get
If y'all get that, we're going to go ahead and take him.
Just to get him out of
no
there.
problem.
Yeah.
I apologize, sir.
Listen, none of this, what happened just a few seconds ago, is personal.
I know.
You don't fight with us.
I know, I'm sorry.
That's right.
I have work tomorrow and everything.
I have to call you a mess.
Women are fake as fuck, bro. Women ain't shit. I hope you're happy, Sahara.
Did she say he hit her or anything?
He just put his hands around her throat, but not in a not to the point where she just was scared. So that's when she.
That's simple, at least simple battery there. Simple battery and simple assault FBA. How long they been together?
He just moved in October.
Yeah, but they.
No, I think it's one of those.
Yeah. Police. Hey, how long y'all been together?
Sorry?
How long have y'all been together?
Not long. We started dating September 28th, and he officially moved in the beginning of October.
So y'all been together, what, 2 months? September? October?
Yeah.
What, about a month and a half? September 28th to now? That's what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
Yeah. He officially moved in October.
How long y'all
1st.
been together?
September 28th, he asked.
And you moved in October 1st?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you.
How long they been together? On and off.
He moved in the 28th. He started dating on the 28th and moved in on the 1st of October.
Okay, I knew it wasn't.
So that's like 3 weeks.
Yeah, she didn't talk like it had been long. And she said normally he throws the vape at her, so she made sure she held on to that so he couldn't throw it at her. That's what he normally does in the past.
Look here. Look here.
I'm nobody.
You're about to get another charge for interference with government property. I suggest you tone it down about 10 notches.
I'm no one in my corner, sir. You don't understand.
Well, you make your bed, you sleep in it.
You don't understand.
The young man was charged with simple battery, obstruction of law enforcement, second-degree damage to property, and attempting to disarm an officer. What do you think? Was this just a routine domestic call gone sideways? Or did officers face a real threat that night? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And as always, stay safe out there.